Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Land Rover Defender 3-litre D250 X-Dynamic HSE 90. This Defender is finished in the very eye-catching Eiger Grey and comes sitting on the 20-inch satin alloy wheels. Also featuring the black exterior pack and privacy glass giving the ultimate finish. And your every journey is made simple with the blind spot assist and keyless entry. Moving straight inside, we've got some great features on the door card, including your memory seat configuration and Meridian sound system, perfect for listening to your favourite music and podcasts. These are the Ebony electric front seats, and there's a really warm welcome to this vehicle with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to show you some of the steering wheel controls. We've got voice control, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and this steering wheel is heated. Ahead is your interactive driver's display. Ideal for those warm and sunny days, this vehicle does feature the centre console cooling compartment and wireless device charging, which is great for on the go. Maximise your comfort at all times with the 2-zone climate control, heated and cooled front seats. And now onto the 11.4-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. We have the 3D surround camera, navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access the heated and cooled front seats through the touchscreen. To access the back of the vehicle, we have electric front seats. And there is ample space here for the rear passengers, also ISOFIX points and the rear vents to make sure they are comfortable at all times. This Defender 90 has a very good amount of boot space, and also with the seats down, it really expands that space. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Defender 90, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.